Dear children, welcome to the new chapter Impact of Computers on Society. Computer chips are made from silicon. Its impact on society can be felt as well as seen. The impact is deep, irreversible, and continuing. The impact of computers was felt very slowly in the 70s and 80s. This was the time when people started to analyze and understand the applications of computers in all fields. However, the 90s saw an exponential change. In this chapter, we will be discussing about the various impacts of computers on society. Automation. Computers have taken over a lot of boring, repetitive, and time consuming and dangerous jobs. Robots are now being used to do dangerous tasks in the manufacturing industry like welding or cutting and picking and placing of components. Simple applications like word processing, spreadsheets, and database have made it possible for more work to get done in less time. Printing of lists, calculation of bills in departmental stores are some tasks being done very efficiently by computers. Data is being stored in a far more organized manner using databases. People are able to spend more time in planning and control rather than in searching for information. The entire banking operations has become much more efficient. Through CAD and CAM, the quality of products has increased significantly. The automobile and aircraft industries have seen maximum benefits in this respect. The whole concept of communications has changed since computers have penetrated this field. As a result, many companies have started giving flexible timings to its employees and even freedom to work from home. Messaging and video conferencing make it possible for people separated by large distances to communicate with each other. Computerized systems like voice recognition, robotic vehicles, and other devices help people who are physically challenged. For the common person, electronic communication has opened up a wide range of possibilities. Impact of computers on society based on education. Computers and other devices like smartboards and e-books have made a great impact in the field of education. These are used to teach difficult concepts through simulated models. It helps students to get experiences which were otherwise not possible or too expensive or risky. Internet is being used extensively by students to do research works. In lab work, scientific instruments are connected to the computers to get accurate readings. Online videos are used to support classroom learning. Teachers from different schools can collaborate and share teaching resources. E-books with multimedia capabilities have made textbooks much more interesting and fun. One of the major advantages of the internet is to enable millions of people to stay connected with their friends all over the world. Social networking sites have created huge online communities. Some popular sites are Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. Anyone can become members of these sites. This is accessible to your friends and to strangers if you choose. Computers have made a huge impact on the way business is done today. Carrying out a commercial activity using the internet is called e-commerce. E-commerce today is not restricted to big companies. For an individual too, there is benefit. You can shop for almost anything through the internet. Companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and eBay provide a catalog of their products. A description and picture of each product accompanies the name and product. Individuals can visit the website and make their selection of items. Payment is done using credit cards or by net banking.